Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I want to tell you about CNfans and why they are currently the best agent on the market. So let's get straight into it. First of all, their shipping is way cheaper compared to other agents, up to 50% cheaper, which means you save a lot of money on shipping. They also are one of, if not the fastest day in shipping time. They currently have the best exchange rate out there, which means you pay less for the same product you would normally buy with other agents. As you can see, even with a discount they are still more expensive than on CNfans. They have the best service, they respond quick and will always help if there is a problem. They also have 4.9 stars on Trustpilot, so you know that your haul is in good hands. You get free rehearsal, which means that they calculate the actual weight of your haul. And you can use that info to select the best logistics method. You get a total of 1,633 yuan in coupons when you sign up and use the Halloween discounts. This translates to almost 200 euros in discounts.
I've been waiting to shoot this fella for so long. Hit a little up when the clock goes pop. Oh!